यार काफी टाइम बाद आई पुट कलर ऑन माई आईज. ये वीडियो बहुत हेल्पफुल होने वाला है. प्लीज वॉच इट टिल द एंड. Hello, I hope you all are having a lovely day. It is good to see you back, but if you're someone new, hi, I'm Sagrika Yadav and I make videos on beauty, lifestyle and vlogs. But there is so much more content, so make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and you hit the bell icon so you will be notified next time I upload any video and you won't be missing out on it. And I know you can feel that how excited I am because this is one of the times when I feel like my hair and my makeup is looking very natural and very pretty. Like I usually don't style my hair. This is my natural hair. So it is looking very good, you know. So make sure you follow me on Instagram and I'll give you all the details of every product that I've used. If you're a fan of subtle makeup looks and आपको भी natural makeup look अच्छा लगता है, so you'll find many easy tutorials on my Instagram. So make sure you check them out and follow me for more such content. I have so much tutorials which is yet to come, some mini vlogs and some stuff. Okay, so enough about my makeup because ये makeup video नहीं होने वाला है. As you know from the title of the video, I'm going to tell about some essential items that you must carry before you leave your house. And no matter whatever the event is, अगर आप किसी शादी के लिए जा रहे हो or you're going for a casual day out or a dinner date or some brunch or you know just meeting your family, friends and stuff, these are the items that you must carry. Okay, so all of us, whenever you leave your house, you definitely carry some wallet or some purse or sling bag, right? But there are few things, few small things I would rather say, which sometimes people forget, and when they are at the event they feel like अरे यार I forgot about this and I really need this stuff but I don't have it with me. ये होता है ना, don't lie to me. So आपको उस चीज़ से बचाने के लिए ये वीडियो है. एंड आप कोई भी इवेंट में जाओ, you should always look presentable, fresh, great. So and you maintain that throughout the party. and ये वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल होने वाला है, trust me. So please watch it till the end and you know इस वीडियो के बाद आप भी वो सारी चीज़ें कैरी करने लगेंगे because I definitely carry all of them whenever I leave my house. And the best part of this video is जो भी मैं items बताने वाली हूँ वो आप एक टाइनी पर्स में भी कैरी कर सकते हो और एक स्लिंग बैग में भी कैरी कर सकते हो. तो our very first item is pocket perfume. I hope the camera is capturing this. So pocket perfume is very important and trust me, your smelling great has to be one of the best compliments that you receive whenever you're attending a party or you're attending a wedding or any event या फिर आप किसी family friend पे हो और आप work place पे हो. and ऐसे टाइम पे क्या होता है, after like couple of hours the intensity of the deodorant or the perfume you must have applied वो बहुत कम हो जाता है and of course you get all sweaty. and I know आप में से किसी को भी अच्छा नहीं लगता होगा whenever you meet someone and the person has that stinky sweat odor and whatever, it is really unflattering. so ऐसे सारी situations avoid करने के लिए आपको हमेशा pocket perfume carry करना चाहिए. pocket perfumes बिल्कुल भी expensive नहीं है, मतलब ये इतने cheap है. I got this in 60 rupees I guess. you know all it takes is one spray and you immediately feel so much better. You will smell great the entire day. You will feel more confident. मेरे पास pocket perfume हमेशा पड़ा होता है. Like I have this in my gym bag also. And whenever I'm going out, no matter what bag I carry, this is the first thing that I put in. And whenever you step out of the house, I feel like you should really carry a pocket perfume because इसकी ज़रूरत यार पड़ती ही है after a couple of hours. This is definitely an essential item that you should carry in your wallet or purse. Alright, so coming to our next essential item is lip balm. And you know it looks really bad जब आपके lips बहुत dry लगते हैं and they look chapped and very dehydrated and you're not taking care of your hydration. So at that time your lips tends to get very dry. Girls, whenever you're wearing lipstick for a really long time, it's been like a good 3 to 4 hours आपके लिप्स पे वो लाइंस आने लगती हैं एंड आपका लिपस्टिक क्रैक होने लगता है एंड इट लुक्स रियली बैड. सो ऐसे सारे सिचुएशंस आप अवॉइड कर सकते हो यूजिंग अ लिप बाम. So for men, you get this Nivea original lip balm, जिसमें कोई भी कलर नहीं होता है. It is just a very hydrating lip balm which you can use. And for ladies, if you like the color, and for men also, अगर आपको कलर पसंद है, then so you should always carry a tinted lip balm. A tinted lip balm means जिसमें थोड़ा सा कलर हो, like a light pink and red lip balm. But take out your lip balm, just quickly dab it on your lips. They are looking well hydrated and fuller and flushed. और dry and flaky and crusty lips वाला situation आप avoid कर सकते हो immediately when you carry a lip balm. ये इतना छोटा है कि आपके वॉलेट या कोई भी छोटे से पर्स में आराम से आ जाएगा and ये आपका बेस्ट फ्रेंड होगा for the entire day. Trust me. So next time when you leave your house, you should always carry a lip balm. And using this lip balm मैं आपको एक secret भी बताना चाहती हूँ. तो आप क्या कर सकते हो, लिप बाम आपके हाइलाइटर की तरह भी काम कर सकता है, आपके फेस को कोई ग्लोइंग लुक भी दे सकता है इंस्टेंटली. सो लिप बाम इज वेरी हेल्पफुल. यू शुड ऑलवेज कैरी अ लिप बाम. सो आवर नेक्स्ट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट आइटम इज कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर. बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स, आई टेल यू कि ये कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर कितना हेल्पफुल हो सकता है आपके लिए जब भी आप बाहर होते हो एंड यू आर एट अ पार्टी और एनी इवेंट और वेडिंग. या आपने भी एक्सपीरियंस किया होगा, लाइक आफ्टर अ कपल ऑफ आवर्स आपका फेस बहुत डल लगने लगता है. देन फाइनली व्हेन यू क्लिक पिक्चर्स विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली एंड आप वो फोटोज बाद में देखते हो तो यू रिग्रेट कि यार मेरा फेस इतना डल लग रहा है. आई विश आई हैड समथिंग टू जस्ट टच अप. तो वहाँ पे ये हीरो की तरह काम करता है. एंड ऑफ कोर्स कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर कम्स विद अ स्मॉल मिरर. तो ये काफ़ी हेल्पफुल होता है. यू कैन जस्ट चेक अप ऑन योर मेकअप एंड जहाँ भी आपका फेस डर लग रहा है या फिर आप स्वेट कर रहे हो, जस्ट क्विकली टेक दैट कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर एंड डैब इट अक्रॉस योर फेस एंड इंस्टेंटली आपका फेस इतना फ्रेश लगने लगेगा दैट स्वेट विल बी गॉन. आपका फेस ब्राइट लगने लगेगा. So this compact powder is really helpful. So next time when you leave your house, make sure you carry your compact powder. This guy is going to be your hero to make you look fresh and good in pictures, and in person also you won't look dull and it will absorb all the nasty sweat that you have on your face. So this compact powder is definitely a must carry in your chotu sa purse also and in your handbag also. Okay, so we are down to some essential items. So अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लग रहा है and you're finding it helpful, so make sure you hit on that like button and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on such videos. So our next essential item is everyone's favorite and definitely a must carry. And जब भी ये open होता है तो everyone wants a piece of it. What are you thinking? So it is our mints. Whenever you eat outside, obviously you will have some odor because of that food. And then after that, when you carry on with your day, sometimes your breath starts to stink, and it is a really gross and unflattering situation, and something which none of us wants to get into. ये किसी को भी अच्छा नहीं लगता है जब भी आप किसी से बात कर रहे हो and वो सामने वाले का breath is smelling really bad and it is so gross and yuck. तो ऐसे टाइम पे अगर आपके पास ये मैजिकल चीजें होंगी, so you will smell great the entire day. And even though you have a great personality and you're a very good person to spend time with, but if you smell bad and you stink, it is a very uncomfortable situation for the other person to be in it. And don't lie to me, ये हम सबके साथ कभी ना कभी हुआ ही है. एंड अगर आप चाहते हो कि आप कभी ऐसे सिचुएशन में नहीं पड़ो एंड आपको वो एम्बैरेसमेंट नहीं झेलना पड़े, तो प्लीज कैरी mints with you. So for you to smell great, you should always carry these things. And ये छोटी छोटी चीज़ों का जब लोग ध्यान रखते हैं, so वो ज़्यादा प्रेजेंटेबल लगते हैं and वो ज़्यादा कॉन्फिडेंट लगते हैं, and इनसे बात करके भी you can have a great conversation. You should always carry a mint whenever you leave the house. Okay, so our next item is also a very essential and important item. और ये एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो आपको यूज़ होती ही है जब भी आप बाहर जाओ. I don't know why I'm playing all these riddles यार. So it is a Tissue paper. I know most of you always carry hanky, but क्या होता है hanky takes more space compared to a tissue paper. And ये यार इतना छोटू सा होता है, मतलब आप इसको मस्त ऐसे फोल्ड करके ऐसे एकदम ऐसे छोटू सा बना के भी आप रख सकते हो. ये इतनों सा जगह लेगा एंड इट विल डू वंडर्स फॉर यू. यू नो आई फील लाइक अगर आपका छोटू सा वॉलेट है या फिर पर्स है तो उसमें ऑब्वियसली हैंकी तो नहीं आता है, तो ऐसे टाइम पे टिश्यू पेपर काफ़ी हेल्पफुल होता है. इससे आप अपना कोई भी मेकअप क्लीन कर सकते हो अगर ज़रूरत हो, या फिर यू कैन यूज़ दिस आफ्टर लंच डिनर, और यू कैन यूज़ दिस वाइप द स्वेट और एनीथिंग. मतलब टिश्यू पेपर तो काम आता ही है एंड पीपल ऑफन फॉरगेट कैरिंग अ टिश्यू पेपर विद देम. And another great thing is whenever you use a tissue paper, so you can just throw it away and you don't have to carry that dirt with you like when you're carrying a hanky. So a tissue paper can be used in a multiple ways. So you should definitely carry a tissue paper with you. So these were the essential items that you should carry whenever you leave the house. And ये सारे ऐसे items हैं जो आपके छोटू से छोटू पर्स में भी आ जाएंगे. And you know most of these products आपको use होगा ही. You know these are some of the essential items that will save you much embarrassment and will make you smell great, look great, feel confident, look good in pictures, and you know everything sorted. Okay, so that was it for the video, and if you liked it and found it helpful, so please click on that like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so you'll be notified next time I upload any video and you don't miss out on them. And thank you so much for every like, comment and subscription and your messages. You guys are really encouraging. So please keep on encouraging me and showing your love and feedbacks. I love to read your feedbacks. And please let me know आप next video किस पे देखना चाहते हो. अगर आपके पास कोई suggestion या idea है for my next YouTube video, please put it in the comment section below and I would love to make videos on them. Please comment down below, let me know आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा and if you found it helpful or not. And don't forget, I will link all the details for this makeup look on my Instagram post. So make sure you follow me there. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.